Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make an easy, delicious, and very quick parfait. And it just has a few ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to make my own homemade whipped cream. So simple, and I know what's in it, right? So I love this. You could absolutely use the stuff in the can or even the stuff that's in the frozen aisle, right?
You can't have a pie without Cool Whip. Cool Whip? Cool Whip, yeah. You mean Cool Whip. Yeah, Cool Whip.
That would be fine too, but it really just takes a few things. All I've done is put in 2 tablespoons of organic sugar, 1 cup of organic heavy cream. I'm gonna add just a little splash of vanilla because I love that flavor. Just about a teaspoon. All right. And we're gonna let this go until we've got nice stiff peaks. Just take about a couple minutes. Okay, whipped cream is perfect. I'm gonna show you what this looks like. You can see how it comes out on top here. There we are. And you can see how it's nice and fluffy, delicious. Our grandson Charlie loves this stuff. He can eat a whole bowl of this, which is strawberries. Not too bad though, I don't think, right? Better than some other things he could be eating. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this in the fridge just so it stays cold while I do my other ingredients, and I'll show you. It just takes a minute to come together. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I've got these lemon wafers. They're so good. And I've got some that I'm gonna put on the top of my parfaits. But I also have about 20 of them in this little baggie. This is a great way if you got some frustration, right? You just use your little rolling pin and give them a little crack. And I just like them, just in bits, right? You'll get some really small crumbles and then you get some other little bigger pieces. It's gonna be so good. And this is great too. It's a fun dessert. You can do this with your kids. Also, I don't have to turn my oven on, right? So it's pretty hot out today, so it's a great dessert to do in the summertime. Comes together in minutes. So now I'm just gonna show you how do I assemble these. So I like a little cookies in the bottom. So I'm just gonna put a couple of those in the bottom here. Just a little bit, because we're gonna layer it on up. Gonna do a little bit of our whipped cream going in. So good. Okay, a little bit of our whipped cream. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of, this is lemon curd. You can make this, I've actually done it in my Instapot. It comes out amazing, but I always have it on hand. So sometimes, we just want a quick dessert. Like I said, this will just take you minutes to make. So I'm taking the 8 of the jar today. Okay, a little bit of lemon curd. And that will give you a huge pucker. It's delicious. Gonna add in a little blueberries in ours, right? How bad can it be if it's got fruit in there, right? That's what I like to tell myself anyways. Okay, so I got some berries going in. And I'm just gonna finish it with a tiny bit more of the whipped cream, just a little bit like that. A little bit more crumbles, kind of going over like that. And you can build these as big as you want, right? Just like that. I think those look really pretty. And if you want, you could even just kind of just to show them what they're having, you can put that little lemon cookie in the top like that. Lemon parfaits with homemade whipped cream. Came together in minutes. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and give one of these a taste for you. So a little cookie, a little bit of the whipped cream, a little blueberry, a little bit of that lemon curd. I love that. You get the crunch from the cookies, the lemon curd, amazing. It's just a huge pop of freshness. Then you have the blueberries. It's just a great dessert. You saw how quickly it came together. I hope you enjoy this. If you do, please share with your friends and your family. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified next time we have our videos coming out. Love you all.